mushrooms with the pumpkin as the sauce for tonight. So this is the pumpkin. You can see this pumpkin is not so big. It is still small. And that means it is still soft. So, yes, a longer video is in the Patreon. Long, not segmented. If you would like to see this, you go to the Patreon. Join the Patreon, please. Now, after getting this, I chop it into smaller pieces. As you can see, I chop it into smaller pieces, which are these ones. These are the smaller pieces. After chopping into the smaller pieces, I remove the inside, the seeds and everything inside, and then I peel off. You can see it is soft, very soft, very soft. So I peel it off. Yes, I see it.